So what exactly does cybersecurity insurance cover, and what does it not cover? So what it does cover are data breaches or data destruction, even data theft that might happen in your environment. And it does this from the perspective of a first party, that's the enterprise that's actually hit, as well as the third party, which is maybe your customer whose data you're storing. If you're hit with a cyber attack and your customer's data is breached, then the third party is that customer whose information was stolen. So we need to think about all the cost involved in protecting ourselves and protecting the data of our third-party customers. Ransomware and extortion cost also can be covered by cybersecurity insurance. Paying that ransom is not cheap typically. Business interruption cost. Have you ever thought about you might be down for a week if you have everything together, maybe a month if you don't have good backups and don't have good processes. Regulatory fines and legal fees are another area of common expense for companies that can be covered by cybersecurity insurance, as well as forensic costs. So oftentimes you have to hire an incident response team to come in and help you figure out A, how did the bad guy get into your network? B, what exactly did they do? And where might they be hiding so you can clean them out? Incident response is not cheap. We call that digital forensics. We take all the hard drives out of the computer, we break them open, we analyze the data, we try to understand exactly what happened. Data recovery costs might be easy if you have good backups. It might be expensive if you have to manually piece together your data. Crisis communication costs can be covered. That might be the cost of communicating to your employees or the cost of communicating to your customers that a data breach happened. Part of that might even be personal identity recovery cost. So have you ever gotten that letter in the mail that says your information was part of a data breach at a company and now they're covering 2 years of identity theft services for you? You know, that's not cheap. That has a cost. That company bought that identity service for potentially thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of their users. That has a cost. All those things can be covered under cyber insurance policies depending on your policy. Make sure you read the policy carefully, understand what you're getting, what you're not getting.